All right, I'll do 2 runs, okay, and I'll talk about the technique later on in both the runs. All right, 3, 2, 1. The limiter is quite abrupt. Now let's do one more run. All right, let's do one more run. And you guys tell me in the comment section what was the difference between the technique used in both the runs. Okay. All right, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video, and do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, okay, and what else, leave a comment even if you do not have a question, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.